Hey, I just wanted to jump on here and talk about the Young Living Kids scent line. They have 5 oils that are already pre-diluted, ready to apply directly to the child without having to be diluted with the carrier oil. What I typically do is when I order it, I go ahead and order roller balls also. It's the little metal ones that I get through your virtual office and snap it on there. They're ready to go. You can apply them when you need them. There's no need to try to drop it out into your hand. You can just roll it on there. So they have 5, like I said. The first one is tummy jize. So think anything with the digestive system or any kind of not feeling well, mommy, blah blah, I got a tummy ache. This is what you're going to go for. You can just rub it right over their problem area. The next one is going to be the Kidscents Sniffle Ease. It does just what it says it is. Typically we would apply it starting back here behind our ears and go down the neck, or depending on how bad they are, maybe like right up in here. The next one is going to be the Sleepy Jize. Think, nighttime, ready to chill out, need to calm down, go to bed. I'm past my parenting hours, about to lose it. Again, on the wrist. You could do it on the chest. We found better to do it on the back or up and down the spine. The next one is the Kidscents Owie, because if kids are anything like mine, they always have boo-boos that need attention. The last one that they have for the Kidscents line is called Genesis. Think any kind of focus support that you would need, maybe doing activities or during certain hours of the day where you need more attention focusing support. This one does have almond oil in it as a carrier oil, so be aware if you have nut allergies in your family. That's why we don't have the rollerball in this one. We don't usually use this one, but I have it just to be able to learn about it and study it. So there's your information for the day. Have a great day, y'all.